Hello, I'm John Mathers, and for the last 5 years, almost 5 years, I've had the privilege of being the editor-in-chief of the British Journal of Nutrition. We call it the BJN. I'm also the Professor of Human Nutrition in Newcastle University in the UK, where I teach and where I undertake research in nutrition and aging and risk of common age-related diseases such as cancer and dementia. And since I carry out and publish the findings of my own research, I understand the publication process from both sides as an author and as an editor. So this is a brief introduction to the British Journal of Nutrition. The BJN is the Nutrition Society's flagship journal. The journal was first published in 1947, and so we've been publishing excellent nutrition research from authors from around the world for more than 75 years. The BJN publishes original papers and review articles across the full spectrum of nutritional sciences. And people submitting articles to our journal should focus on research that increases knowledge in nutritional science relevant to human or animal nutrition. And that includes farm animals, fish, and so on. So, for example, the BJN welcomes manuscripts that report studies in nutritional epidemiology, nutrition requirements, metabolic studies, body composition, energetics, appetite, and obesity. We're also interested in mechanistic studies and studies that address the interactions between nutrition with other sciences, for example, endocrinology, genetics, immunology, microbiology, molecular and cell biology, neuroscience, and physiology, particularly where those studies report outcomes relevant to health, behavior, and well-being. In terms of types of papers, most of the papers that we publish are original research articles, but we also publish review articles, including systematic reviews and systematic reviews and meta-analyses. We publish scoping reviews and protocol papers. And we also publish a small number of other types of articles, for example, invited commentaries, workshop reports, and editorials. So what makes a good paper? There are three important characteristics of a good paper. The first is novelty. We're looking for research that asks a timely and important question. That could be a long-established problem that's been tackled using new methodology, or an investigation of an entirely new topic for the first time. The second characteristic is rigor. And in the BJN, we want to publish papers that report the outcomes from studies that have been well designed and carried out carefully, where the data have been analyzed carefully and the findings interpreted objectively in the light of existing evidence and theories. And in addition, we're looking for papers that are well written and that present the study's findings in a clear, concise, and interesting manner. And the third characteristic is about significance. A paper is likely to be significant if the findings have the potential to influence understanding of a particular nutritional issue, or, for example, to provide the evidence base for new products, new policies, or new practice.